Are you ready for this? Ah!
Oh my god, is she okay?
Good.
Should we call someone?
Were we supposed to catch her?
That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
I forgot where I'm going.
This afterlife is so cool.
This is amazing! Rise and shine!
Oh my god, I'm dead. Where are my fans? My fellow music lovers? Oh, here's some people. Wait, where are they? Nobody knows me here. Huh? Hey, you're really talented.
Oh, thank you. You're that girl who just died from a stage dive, right? What if we were in a band together?
I've never thought of teaming up before.